Eto na nga ang pinakahihintay nating condo tour. Pasa kayo! Okay! Eto na nga po, dahil I'm sure nakita nyo naman yung vlog ng condo tour when this was still bare at wala pang gamit at on the way pa lang ang mga pinapangarap kong gamit. This time, ipapasilip ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nakalagay na dito. So if you haven't seen that vlog yet, I will put the link, yes, below so you can watch it first and then you get to see ang comparison from before to now. Umpisahan na natin. So, pagpasok nyo, ito ang look niya. Actually, for this particular condo, I wanted the colors to be more muted, mas relax lang yung color, in comparison dun sa house namin sa Parañaque, na mas full of vibrant colors. Dito, muted color siya. So, you will see na ang cabinets namin ay solihiya because Cal and I and the whole family are into supporting local. So we had somebody do this for us. And ang color niya dito ay brushed gold because for this particular design, I didn't want anything flashy. I just wanted it to be more classic and medyo subtle. Yan. So nandito yung mga kung ano namin mga pantry. And then this part, let me just catch my breath. That every time I look at this, parang nauubusan talaga ako ng hininga. I think for many years, my husband and I like to invest in art. And because I'm also an artist myself, hindi nga lang kasing husay ng The Ben Cab because this is a Ben Cab piece. It's called Young Lovers. I would imagine for this to be like me and Boyet when we were starting and we like to stay young. Kaya marami ko yung TikTok videos. Joke lang. This particular piece is called Young Lovers by Ben Cab. This is dated 1993 and signed 1993. So, basically, 28-year-old na ang art piece na ito. I love it so much. It's a hue of red, which is a color I actually love. And the reason why it's just here alone is because hindi na niya kailangan ng katabi. Sobrang ganda niya. Kahit mag-isa lang siya dyan. And it reminds us of our youth. Very resting on Boyet's shoulder. Feel na feel ko talaga. Hindi. This one I got from an auction from Leon Gallery. Ilang taon din siguro ang inipon-ipon ko to have a budget for a particular piece of Mr. Ben Cab himself. I met him with my family when we visited Baguio and all I could think about is, Lord, sana po talaga makabili po ako ng Ben Cab. And here it is. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so from one Ben Cab piece to another, obvious ba na favorite ko si Sir Ben? This one is an archival print. It's an artist-proof print signed by Mr. Ben himself, 2014 naman. So, this one parang kind of reminds me of Danny Girl because, well, this is really Sabel. I think yun yung muse ni Sir Ben. But because of that red line and, you know, the way it's surrendering up there, parang it kind of reminds me of my character. So, because this condo was actually bought by Danny Girl herself, tamang may ma-remember ako from her. Kesa ilagay ko dito yung maleta, di ba? Nika. So, this time, we're gonna move on to my kitchen. Ta-da! I like this kitchen because it's actually a very small kitchen, relatively small compared to the one that I have at home. This is an oven that I had to order and I waited months for this because I like the detail dahil cream siya and black siya. So, I like that color. Plus, it has two, there you go. It has two separate areas. So, pwedeng nagbe-bake ka sa taas and pwedeng rotisserie naman sa baba. And then, it's induction of course because bawal ang gas sa condo. It has a hood and seam. Ito kaya lang black yung mga hawakan niya is because black yung hood and also the oven. Kaya, yun. So, toaster, kettle, at favorite spot ni Alonso dahil naghuhugas na siya ng plato ngayon. Pero ang magaling talaga maghugas dito ay si Daddy Boyet at si Kali. So, this is our pantry. This one goes out, pero kung ano-anong makita niyo sa loob. Pero ayan, papasilip ko na sa inyo. It actually goes out this way. At nasasara siya. Also, space saving, and katulad nung sa first vlog ko, sabi ko wala pa refrigerator, pero on the way na. On the way. At talagang worth the wait naman. Okay, so this time, I'm gonna bring you to our dining area na may poging kasama. Uy, hindi gumagalaw. Talaga? Ba, okay pala itong dining area namin. May kasamang pogi. Ay, galing ang acting ah. Okay, so, these lights are actually, this one I really love so much because this one, parang naalala ko to have bright ideas all the time, to actually, you know, let my ideas run wild because it's so big. Alam mo yung light bulb moment na, idea pala akong ganun. So, this is from Ilaw at Iba Pa. We get our lights from all our properties from Ilaw at Iba Pa. They are located along EDSA. Yes, in Quezon City. Yan. And, of course, mag-sanitize tayo ng kamay. Algo Plus. Okay, so I'll show you. This is our TV. Pero kasi, minsan, ayaw kong may nakalabas na TV. So, pakitaan ko kayo ng high-tech. High-tech! Tema naman. Uy! Yan! Oh. Huwag kayong mag-alala. May tao dyan sa loob. Hindi, walang tao. So, just in case that there are times I don't want the television up because, syempre, you just want to have conversations, mga bisita nyo, kasi dining area namin to. Na, by the way, parang Japanese style kasi medyo mababa siya. So, I just hide that and plain na yung wall, diba? So, yan. Stop lang muna natin yan. After 49 years. Okay. Right. Okay. Tapos, eto na. I'll show you what I have on the corner of my dining area. Well, this is a vase I think I got from Saletti. But I like the flowers. This came from the parang care package that sina Dr. Vicky Bello sent. So, ni-recycle ko. Siyempre, pwede mo kunin yung mga dumarating sa PR kits and then ilagay mo dyan. So pretty. At hindi pa siya nalalanta. Or lanta na siya, pero hindi halata. Maganda pa rin. This is my papa. Gift sa akin to ni Bam. That's me and Papa Bong. Papa Bong passed away mga 20 years, 21 years ago. That's me. Di ba kamukha ko naman si Alonso? Di ba? Alonso. Sagot! Nananakot. Joke lang. Okay, so we use this naman for games, kaya kami may hourglass na ganyan. Okay, so from Papa, we now move on to our art piece dito naman sa dining. Perfect to. Ito ay galing din sa auction ng Leon Gallery. Medyo tumambay ako sa online auction nila. This one is actually a manansala piece. Grabe, kinikilabutan ako. I can't believe. Minsan masarap din talagang mangarap eh. Basta ang importante, wala kang tinatapakang tao, wala kang ninanakawan, wala kang inaagrabyado, malinis ang trabaho, pwedeng abutin ng mga pangarap. So, this is like a dream for me because I really wanted a manansala piece and this was signed 1955. So, gaano katagal na yun, Ta? Eka lang papamat lang tayo sandali 2021 na ngayon, minus 1955. 66-year-old na ang piece na ito. 66-year-old. And just to have the presence of a master like Mr. Manansala right here makes me feel super emotional. And by the way, kasi emotional ko, pag malamig yung aircon namin, this is an AUX inverter aircon. I love it because maniwala kayo sa hindi, pa-polar bear na kami dito. Sa sobrang masarap magyakapan pagka malamig ang aircon. Kaya, good job AUX. So, dito naman tayo sa... Okay. Ay! Oh, tingnan ko nga. Ganda mo Sinong nanay mo? Ang aking mapagmahal, masipag mag-aral, magaling magnegosyong anak. Yes, at galante magbigay ng regalo. Yan ang pinaka-importante ituturo natin sa mga anak natin, na maging galante sila. Joke lang po. Pero totoo yan, galante talaga siya magbigay ng regalo, si Ate Kali. Di ba na Ate Kali? Palay ka, James ka naman. Yeah, okay. So this one is a wallpaper I got from Moss Manila, MarkBumgarner. What I love about this wallpaper, it's actually a ginkgo print. Goes with, you know, the way we wanted to do our whole home. Plus, it comes in a blush color, kaya I like that. Mas subdued lang tayo. Tapos, ito ang aming switch. Oh, ganyan siya. Ginaganon lang. Diba? Mga pa ganun. Tik to mga pinag-iipunan natin At syempre, meron din akong mga altar ko dito. I have my crystals, which I get from Gaia. Actually, this is from Gaia. gaea.ph on Instagram. I love it because it has everything I need. I think love to. Kasi rose quartz tapos I like gold. So, ilalagay ko yan dito para ma-re-energize. Katabi ko rin si Mother Mary of Manawag. Di ko pa natanggal sa plastic. May rosary kami. Actually, ito yung pinakaunang pumasok dito sa condo kasi I love Lady of Manawag so much. This actually came from our former stylist in Cadenang Ginto, which is Abby and Jerome. Hi guys! Thank you. Okay. So, ito naman, syempre, di mawawala ang dragon. Kaya lang may dragon dito kasi Mondragon. Oh, 'di ba? Gold Dragon. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang na merong reference kay Danny at sa Cadenang Ginto because, of course, kaya naman natin to nabili dahil dun sa mga naipon ko sa serye na yun. And, tada! Ay, tapos ka na bang mag-school? Oh, very good. Okay, alright. Nako. So, itong sofa na to, I like it because super baba niya. Pinag-ipunan ko rin po to. Hinintay ko actually mag-sale. I think I got this sofa from Design Story. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi nakakatulog din kami dito. Actually, si Kali kadalasan natutulog siya dito. Tsaka it's very comfortable. Kita mo naman yung mga bata nandito, diba? So, dun sa corner na yon, you will see our books. Nandun din yung Calva brand na first collection ni Kali. Meron din doon parang Holy Family na wood. That's actually from Rome when we did ASAP in Rome. That is a gift, I think, to us by our friends. And nakasulihiya din siya kasi yun yung likod ng cabinet kanina. And then, okay, I'll show you. Kunin ko na lang para mas malapit kasi. This one, ano ba to? Hindi to nawawala sa amin. I actually collect vintage cameras. Medyo madumi na lang kasi galing din to sa labas. So, ito ay a vintage camera that has 50mm na lente. I use this a lot. Callie and I love to shoot film. So, whenever we go out, we don't just use our digital cameras but our film cameras as well. Ito ay ang aking Holy Bible. Okay, sorry ganito na yung itsura ng Holy Bible ko. Pero sa totoo, gamit na gamit to. This is the Bible that we used for our wedding. So this is our wedding Bible. Ito yung ginagamit pag sa kasal. And feeling ko, it's important na if you are married, and you use, di ba, they always have to have the Holy Bible. Kailangan meron ka kasama ng mga coins, ng veil, ng candle, and ng rings. I think it's very important for you as couples to, you know, read up on the Bible, see what it can give you and your family. And ito sa akin, personally, it gives me comfort. Like whenever Boyet and I fight, and that's a lot of fights, by the way. Tawang-tawa tong team ko How much do you think we love each other?
When I was 2 years old, they fight. When I was 5 years old, they fight. When I was 4 years old, they fight.
Okay. And so what happens after? Hanggang love lang. So it's okay to fight with one another. Naku, may gesture pa siya. Okay, wala. Basta, don't say. Kissing! Oh my God. Okay, so Alonso, it's okay to fight with one another, but at the end of the day, what do you have to say? So you will be okay. What do you do? What do you say? Sorry. And then after that, we love. Galing mo very good ka.
Kissing.
Okay, not kissing. Okay, wag ka nang mag-kissing. Tama na yung kissing. And ito na nga, we'll go to the one of my most favorite parts of this condo is the view. Tada! Lalo pag sa gabi, sobrang ganda dito. Pinakapaborito ko yung pagkapatulog na yung mga bata. And Boyet and I will just be on the couch and drink our tea or coffee kung ano man. And we just watch the lights of the building, the skyline. Nakakatanggal ng mga alinlangan at mga pag-aalala sa buhay. At the end of the day, you just commune with one another and, enjoy the view that you have. So, yan yung view namin. I think that's Makati. So, ito naman, going up, because it is a loft, nakita nyo naman yan dati na yung...
Thank you sa pagpapasiyara. Bye-bye.
Mga nakikibanyo sa akin, mga big time Okay, so dito naman, you will see dati may walk path dito, pero we covered it na, kaya meron na dyan cabinet, and you'll see little things, mga little things, and so that chandelier is actually one of the focal points of this condo because medyo mataas yung ceiling namin. So this is also from ilaw at iba pa. I'll turn it on para makita nyo. Yan! Let there be light. And this part also is a nice area for you to pray or say, "Good morning, Lord," kasi bukang-buka to. Tapos nilagyan lang namin siya ng sheer na curtain para ma-diffuse yung light. Tip lang para sa mga taong nag-aayos ng kanilang bahay. Hindi naman ako designer, no? But I really know how to find good natural light. So if you have curtains, you can use sheer curtains to make sure na malambot ang ilaw nyo. Good for selfies and for photos. And of course, ito, hanggang dito na lang. Ito ay the wallpaper pa rin from sina Miss Cindy and Sir Mado. Yan. This is from Moss Manila Home, ex-MarkBumgarner. Mark, I love you so much. Yon, design nila to, collaboration nila. And I really like it because it's so dainty, it's very me, yet very subtle. So, sa susunod, room tour naman. Pero since nakita nyo naman may mga nakikiihi na dito, palagi ko kailangan ko na i-check yung aking mga bisita. But I hope you enjoyed our condo tour and sana hindi namamatay yung ilaw. Pinatay ni Alonso yung ilaw dahil meron din yan sa baba. Okay, ayan. Kasi tinamaan pala ng producer ko dahil pumapayat na siya. So anyway, that's it for today and I hope that you enjoyed it. Kung meron kayong mga comments, pwede nyo ilagay sa baba. And I really enjoyed being able to share with you how the condo looks like now. It took us a while, but syempre, nag-ipon-ipon muna kami. But I'm so glad na na-share ko sa inyo yung journey na to. So if you have dreams, work hard for it, work smart for it, and pray really, really hard every single day. Because really, prayers can move mountains. And sa totoo, never in my wildest dreams did I ever imagine having a unit here in this area. And yet, it was possible all because of the Lord's grace. So, thank you, Lord. Kaya naman, thank you so much sa lahat. At by the way, if you want to know any of the details where I got my stuff from, I will put it on the description and also their Instagram accounts and Facebook pages. So that's Ilaw at Iba Pa, AUX Aircon. There's also Moss Manila Home and Design Stories. So, see ya!